The small-scale JOHKASOU includes two processes. One is the separation contact aeration process, which is a combination of a sedimentation separation tank and a contact aeration tank. The other is the anaerobic filter contact aeration process, which is a combination of an aerobic filter tank, in which a filter media is filled for capturing solids, and a contact aeration tank. At the first step, the treatment using an anaerobic filter tank is the anaerobic filter tank contact aeration process, and the treatment using a sedimentation separation tank is the separation contact aeration process. Both treatment methods use a contact aeration tank and a sedimentation tank for secondary treatment, and the treated wastewater is finally disinfected in a disinfection tank. In addition to removing organic pollutants, small-scale JOHKASOU can also remove nitrogen. This is the denitrification filter aeration process. The solids in the water are removed in the denitrification filter tank, and the organic pollutants and nitrogen compounds are decomposed by microorganisms in the contact aeration tank. And then, the water is agitated by a pump to promote the denitrification reaction by microorganisms, while solids in the treated wastewater are separated in the sedimentation tank. There are two types of process with middle-scale JOHKASOU. One is the same process as adopted in small-scale JOHKASOU, the separation contact aeration process. Another is the rotating biological contactor tank or trickling filter, which is adapted instead of the contact aeration tank for secondary treatment. There are processes that include screen equipment for pre-treatment and a flow equalization tank for adjusting the quantity and quality of inflow to make the treatment performance stable. Circulation of the wastewater for nitrogen removal. The tertiary treatment device includes various treatment processes: a biological reactor to remove nitrogen, a filtration equipment to remove solids, chemicals to separate polluted matters, and a tank with activated carbon in which the organic pollutants remaining in the water are absorbed and removed. New treatment processes for JOHKASOU, which differ from those in structural standard, have been developed. This new JOHKASOU type has received a test to evaluate its treatment performance by an official institution and has been approved by the government for production only when it was confirmed. New types of JOHKASOU have adopted advanced wastewater treatment technologies. In addition, JOHKASOU with smaller volumes than the conventional ones and high performance are manufactured. Therefore, the demand for the new types of JOHKASOU is strong. Its share among the newly installed JOHKASOU in Japan is over 90%. Let us introduce the current water environment situation in Japan. The achievement rate of environmental standards in water areas of Japan has improved little by little. With industrial wastewater being controlled, industrial wastewater is not the major cause of water pollution. The improvement of the waste pollution caused by domestic wastewater became the big challenge.